Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Monday, June 12th, 2023. Before I click on the charts, I want to encourage you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of analytical videos just like this: daily Triple Q report, daily SPY report, weekly analysis in the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the long bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that are longer term in scope, well suited for the 3 to 5 week swing trader, as well as the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves on the underlying stocks that we choose. Check out wickedstocks.com. You can get all that for one single subscription price. On to the daily Apple report for Monday, June 12th. Let's take a look at the big picture, and we'll work our way in. I'll cut to the chase here. We settled 6 weeks ago above this long-term channel top, descending flag at the top of a move, a setup for longer-term bullish continuation. That is anticipated longer-term bullish continuation above 170.35, expecting over the months ahead this 220.33 longer-term rising channel top. We may actually reach this by the end of the year. If we close this week above the 182.94 former all-time high from January of 22, this could be as little as 3 to 5 months. So yes, by the end of the year, 220.33 in reach. Until then, we may trade both sides. We might fill this area in. It took 3-4 weeks to reach 182.94. We tested it last week. We can ease back into the low 170s. I see no inclination for that right now. I still see there's a series of little sell signals, stair step, if you will. Still have this former channel top at 176.69, and it can contain session weakness. It actually may contain selling into later week. We could come off of here through the rest of the week, perhaps. And I don't see it being tested today. I think that would be a bit of a surprise, a sell-off of that magnitude for just the Monday. But, 180.95 remains our soft pivot point for the day. We did settle just above it by a tick. Holding above 180.95 will keep this 182.94 former high in reach on an intraday basis, where, yes, we can top out on a weekly basis. That is the wrong chart. That's the daily chart on a weekly basis. And if we close above 182.94, let's say today, this 188.41 formation is likely to be reached within about, I'd say, 3 to 5 days. Now, if we get a spike in volatility and an aggressive rally, it could be within 1 to 2 days, but 188.41 able to contain buying, on a 2 to 3 day basis. So, and perhaps weekly, as we move away from present price levels with this 4-month rising channel top, I may even bump it up to a 3-star resistance. In other words, closing above 182.94, which we've yet to do, 3 to 5 day target at 188.41. So with respect to the 3 to 5 day swing trade, it's already constructive right now, longer term. But if we close above 182.94, 3 to 5 day swing trade is decidedly bullish. And you should be long if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, anticipating 188.41 within that time frame where we could top out, I say, on a 2 to 3 day basis, but possibly for a week, and fall back to 182.94 possibly. If we close above 188.41, that is meaningful upside price acceleration. I don't know if I have that charted anymore. I don't think so. Here it is. Yes, I do. 201.41. That is a longer term rising channel top that stems back to the January low. So if we close above 188.41, 201.41 is the next objective. That would probably be, it could be a 2 to 3 week move. I will say that if we settle the week out above 182.94, we should see this. This is a steeply rising formation, but we could actually see this by the end of July, perhaps. And the truth is, as we move into later summer, it actually converges with this 220.33 longer term objective. Closing above 182.94, it is the last sort of big picture area to settle above. I'm not a fan of just waiting for is there going to be a double top here? I'll buy the market when we get above that high. That is certainly a legitimate approach. But I think having led that weeks earlier by closing above 170.35, that was my get long opportunity, and it remains so. And of course, if we close above 182.94, longer term bullish continuation, secondary buying pressures then likely to play out as we move into July, August. Let's talk downside again just for the day itself. If we break or open below 180.95, I am not expecting 176.69. It's just that I don't see a lot of all of these minor points have been carefully chosen. They're very well suited for day traders, aggressive day traders. But in terms of, buying the market, that I would consider to be kind of a quote unquote reliable support level that can contain not only daily but possibly selling pressures into later week, it remains 176.69. And if we close below 176.69, once again, I don't see it's really 175.52. This very stair step. And this really is, as we continue into later week, FYI, that 175.52 will converge with that channel top I just showed at 176.69. And so 175.52 really is our downward pivot point into later week. Not unless we close below 175.52 am I expecting a test of that 170.35 long-term support area on the weekly chart where a buy opportunity would present. A buy opportunity at least back to 182.94 within 3 to 5 weeks, and possibly as we continue into later year, the 220s. And that remains our target. I don't have any reason to be bearish Apple as we move into July, August trade unless we were to close below 170.35, and I'm just not going to waste my air on that right now. It's not realistic. We're in a longer term buy signal. I don't know if I've covered everything for the 3 to 5 day swing trader. I think I did. 3 to 5 day swing trade turns bullish with a settlement today above 182.94, expecting that 188.41 channel top. This is the image here. And, until then, can we top out at 182.94 and fall back to 176.69 or 175.52, this narrowing range over the next few days? We can, certainly. And that would present a buy opportunity through the week and into next. And I am just going to leave it at that. There's really not much else to say beyond what I already have. I'm going to leave it at that for Monday's Apple Report. I'll be back tomorrow with Tuesdays. You have a great day.